Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain section 3 questions. See here, section 3 questions. See that first question, A question. The present age of Ramu's father is 3 times that of Ramu. After 5 years, the sum of their ages will be 70 years. Find their present ages. We need to find out the present ages of both Ramu's father and Ramu. Okay. Now its time is 11 p.m. Also, I am making video. Why? Because students are asking to me. They want means their math teacher got it coronavirus, so she is suffering from corona, so that students are posting me, please make a video of this all questions solutions, so that I am making here. See this question given that the present age of Ramu's father is 3 times of that Ramu. Okay, let the present age of Ramu x years, present age of Ramu's father y years. Okay, now here condition is given. Ramu's father age is 3 times that of Ramu. So Ramu father age y years. Y is equal to 3 times of Ramu's age. Okay, so 3x we can take. Now you can take the transpose of plus 3x will becomes minus 3x. So y minus 3x is equal to 0. Let us say take equation 1. After 5 years, sum of their ages be 70. Okay, so after 5 years means we should take plus. So x plus 5 plus, here sum means plus, y plus 5 is equal to 70. Now x plus y plus 5 will becomes plus 10 is equal to 70. X plus y is equal to 70, transpose of plus minus. Okay, so 70 minus 10, 60. So x plus y is equal to 60. See, let us say equation 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2. See, y minus 3x is equal to 0, and here just to write down why we want to write means just I am taking interchange, that's it. Y here I am writing, x here I am writing, anyway it is same only. So y plus x is equal to 60. Okay, now when we are cancelling variables, just we should take the symbols, which is the second equation symbols we need to change. Okay, so here plus is there means minus, plus is there means minus, here plus is there means minus we need to take. Okay, so minus y plus y will becomes cancel. Here same symbol, same minus minus, so minus 3x minus x, we should get minus 4x is equals to minus 60. Now here left side right side minus symbol is there, so we can do cancellation. So 4x is equal to 60, x is equals to 60 by transpose of multiplication division, so 60 by 4 will come. If you do the cancellation, x is equal to 15 will come. Okay, now substitute x is equal to 15 in equation 1 or equation 2. Just I substituted in equation 1. So y minus 3x is equal to 0. So y minus 3 into x, x means 15 is equal to 0. So y minus 3, 5, 3 15s are 45. So y is equal to 45. Transpose of subtraction will becomes addition. Okay, here therefore we can say that the present age of Ramu 15 years, the present age of Ramu's father 45 years. Here don't forget to write years. Okay, units compulsory. This is the solution of the 10th A question. Now alternative question B also there. Okay, here I wrote question here only. Why? Because always I take to other mobile and also means takes time, so that I wrote here only. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Find angle B, comma angle C and angle D. See here, this is the given figure ABCD quadrilateral. these two are parallel, these two are parallel. See here, we should take angle B, see angle B plus 50. Okay, in quadrilateral adjacent angles sum should be 180 degrees. Okay, now these two are adjacent angles. Why? Because they are having common side, so we can take these are two adjacent side angles. Okay, so angle B plus angle 50 is equals to 180 degrees. Now interior angles on the same side of AB. Okay, see interior angles on the same side of AB. Also we can take a reason. So angle B is equal transpose of plus 50 will becomes minus 50. Okay, angle B is equal to 180 minus 50, 130 degrees. Angle B we got it 130 degrees. Similarly, angle B plus angle C, angle B plus angle C, these are also adjacent angles, and angle C plus angle D, these two are also adjacent, so we should equate both. Okay, now angle D plus 50, angle 50. Okay, here angle C already we know, no, angle 50, that is 50 degrees. So angle D plus angle 50 is equal to 180 degrees. Now angle D 130. Why? Because angle B is equal to angle D. In quadrilateral, opposite angles are equal. So whatever angle B is there, the same value we can take as angle D. So angle B we got it 130. So 130 we can write. Plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Now angle C is equal to 180 minus 130 degrees. Why? Because transpose of plus 130 will becomes minus 130. Angle C is equal to 50 degrees if you do the subtraction. Okay, also angle C plus angle D is equal to 50 plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now angle D is equal to 180 minus 50 will becomes 130. So angle D 130. You got it now? So we found that angle B, angle C, angle D. Here angle B, angle C, angle D. Okay. Next, simplification. These all are simplifications given. See here. Here first one 2 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5. Okay. Now this is in mixed fraction is there. We can convert into improper fraction. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2 plus 3 by 5. Okay. Now 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 5 by 5 is equal to 25 by 10. Here LCM I am taking. Here 2 comma 5 LCM is 10, no? So here for 5 by 2, which table we can take multiply to get 10? 5 table. So 5 numerator and denominator we should take 5. 5 5 is a 25, 2 5 is a 10. Same for this also. 3 by 5 into here we can take, we want LCM 10. Here for 5 table, which table we can take and multiply to get 10? 2 table. So 2 I took here. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. After convert into like fraction, now we should add 25 by 10 plus 6 by 10 corresponding fractions. For these two fractions, these are the corresponding fractions. So if we will get unlike fractions, directly we can add the numerators. So 25 plus 6 divided by 10. So 25 plus 6 means 31. 31 by 10. The sum is 31 by 10. Next second bit 4 1 by 3 into 3 2 by 5. Here multiplication is there. Okay. Now 4 3 is a 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 3 into 3 5 is a 15. 15 plus 2 17. 17 by 5. Now here middle into symbol is there. We need to do the product multiplication. Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. So 13 into 17 by 3 5 is a 15. If you do the multiplication, you will get 221 by 15. Okay. Next third bit 3 1 by 3 plus 2 1 by 2. These are the mixed fraction. First we need to convert into improper fraction. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 3 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2. Okay. After that we need to take the LCM of 3 and 2. We should get 6. Okay. Now we should convert into like fraction. Why we are converting like fraction? Why? Because whenever like fractions are there only we can add the numerators, otherwise we cannot add the numerator. That's what first we need to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. So 10 by 3, here we want 6 is the denominator. For 3 table, which table we can multiply to get 6? 2 table. So we should take 2 table. Numerator and denominator same 2 table we can take and multiply. 10 2s are 20, 3 2s are 6. Now for 5 by 2 also. For 2, which table we can take and multiply to get 6 LCM? 3 tables. So 3 we should take. 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6. Now corresponding fractions you need to write instead of these two fractions. So 20 by 6 plus 15 by 6. 20 plus 15 by 6. Now 35 by 6. Okay, this is the answer for this third bit. And fourth bit also there. See, 2 by 1 minus 5 by 7. Now first these are the unlike fraction. We need to convert into like fraction. For 1 and 7 LCM is 7 only. So 2 by 1. Here for 1 which table we can take multiply to get 7? 7 table only. So 7 I took. So 2 7s are 14, 1 7s are 7. For 5 by 7 also. For 5 by 7 here we want denominator 7. For 7 which table we can multiply to get 7? Only 1. So 1 I took. 5 1s are 5, 7 1s are 7. Now here you can take this corresponding fractions. 2 by 1 instead of you can write 14 by 7 minus 5 by 7 instead of 5 by 7 only. Okay. Now you can subtract the numerators. Why? Because we got it like fraction, no? So 14 minus 5 by 7 is equals to 14 minus 5 9. 9 by 7. This is the solution. Okay. Next. Okay. Next question. Next few questions are there. Those question solutions I will make a video tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.